Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to apply for GCash card. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now the first thing you want to do here is you want to open up your GCash mobile application and just log in. Now from here, what you need to do is you need to click on the view all option that you see on the main dashboard and just click on it. And from here, you want to go to the very bottom until you see the section that says manage. Now in here you'll see profile, transactions, pair up, outlet, cards as well. So if you want to apply for a card, just click on cards. And from here it's going to load up this UI here. So what we need to do is we first have to order our card. So in this case we want to click on order card and just click on send me a card. Now in here you have the option to proceed on getting your card. So it's going to use the information on your account to create your card. So just click on next. And from here we first have to enter our delivery information. So here we want to enter the recipient's name. So in this case you want to actually input your name here as well as your mobile number in which you will be contacted with, the province, city, municipality, barangay, zip code, house number, and street address, and even landmarks. But this is just optional, but it would really help a lot if you add landmarks here. Now for you to submit this, make sure that you put a check on the I accept the terms and conditions, and from there you will be redirected to the next UI here, which is terms and conditions. So make sure that you read through all of this one. But yeah, so once you click on the next here, it's going to basically redirect you to the payment section for your card, and you just need to proceed with the payment in order for you to start the process on ordering your card for GCash. Now once you've ordered your card, you could go ahead and just go back. Now once you've received your card, you have the option to link my card here and just click on it, and from there you'll be able to connect your account, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.